Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RBZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Pretty eventful day. Price was all over the place, and the volume was well above average. But after all the dust had settled, definitely a couple of key areas to keep an eye on. The first level right here, where the consolidation finally leveled off, and that's at about 405. And you can see multiple times the price hit this level. And I don't want to come across like this is some sort of like great discovery or, anything on my part. I assure you, anybody that uses charts and understands charts has taken notice of this level and is watching it. And I bring all that up because whenever you have a lot of eyeballs all watching the same thing and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some pretty interesting price dynamics. And going into Wednesday, 405 is that, number for the RBZ chart here. So RBZ, very important level of support, and one of those where, like I said, if you want to call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, that's fine by me, but that's, a level that a lot of people are going to be watching. In the event 405 does not hold up, the next key level, while there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market, it would not be shocking to see the price then drift down to the 390 level of support right there. But to be fair, and so far so good, the 405 mark has been doing a great job of holding strong ass support. So in the event this is some sort of support level here that's going to produce a bigger bounce, clearly it's already a support level, but now it just becomes a question of can it actually produce some sort of upwards movement. First key level to watch going forward is going to be that downtrending trend line right there, and I'll actually change that to red for resistance. So keep a close eye on that, and if the price can get a break up through there, then by no means am I saying that within 2 seconds the price is going to be up at those highs around 475. But technically speaking, the chart opens up quite a bit. And, this area of the chart is essentially kind of a no man's land up around here. So again, not saying that the price is shooting straight up there, but, there's definitely some potential for another nice spike to the upside in the event that trend line can be broken. So keep an eye on these levels going forward from a technical perspective, and let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.